Hello, my name is Astrid von Lichtenstein, and I'm the president of Crown Design Luxury Interiors. Crown Design is a widely renowned made-to-measure furniture manufacturer with a focus on luxury hotels, beautiful homes, and high-end retail stores. We combine design and manufacturing excellence with full control over logistics and installation anywhere in the world. We are usually assigned turnkey projects, but we are often the main player in complex development and remodeling plans. In fact, we perform all the following tasks: project management, engineering and prototyping, manufacturing, wood, metal and glass working, transportation and logistics, finishing and assembly. Crown Design's parent company, TH Cole, is a design, woodwork and metalwork business over a century old. Our manufacturing facility and our highly specialized craftsmen allow us to provide a wide variety of customers with the best quality in individualized crafting and assembly process. We look forward to discussing with you your next hospitality or retail project, or even your own home.